Welcome guys, my name is Mustafa Sahadat. You're watching Online Millionaires and you can watch my all videos. This all video is free of the cryptocurrency earning, and today I'm going to share with you one Bitcoin mining website. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel. Okay, let's get started. This is the website link in description. Just put your wallet address and start mining. Okay, daily payout is this much. Every day this website pay this much payout, and this is the miner people come. Uptime is 99% is the rating. Okay, and just click start now, and you can create an account. Click here, put your name. Okay, my name is Mustafa. Put your Gmail address. This is my Gmail address. Okay, and put your password. This one is my password, and confirm password and click on sign up. Okay, and put your Bitcoin wallet address in here. Okay, and click start mining. This is very easy. You can start. Okay, and now the mining is start and pay you the mining. Okay, every hour pay you this much, and you can calculate how much this website pay you. Okay, and this is very easy, and put it like this. Reload this, click reload off, because I don't want to reload every time to me. Okay, this is right now is starting. Every hour pay you this much Satoshi, and the minimum balance for withdrawal, you can auto claim or claim. You can go to the my wallet. You can watch your wallet. Your wallet is nothing found to your wallet. You can come back and just clicked, and you can click to your wallet. Okay, solve this capture. Okay, the minimum is 60 Satoshi. Right now is my 1 Satoshi. I click O2. You can buy this ash power. Okay, if you buy this ash power, pay you much more. This is the power of mining. You can buy one of these, and you can click auto click, and you can affiliate other people to come join this website, and this website pay you some Bitcoin or some Satoshi about the joining website. This is the URL file link. You can copy your file link and paste for others. Okay, this is the website. A website link in description. It's very easy. Put the mining. After 60 seconds, come back and you can collect your mining to withdraw, and you can withdraw your mining. Okay, and you can put to your wallet, and the minimum withdrawal is this much. It's very easy to reaching this much. Okay, and you can withdraw just with easy way. Okay guys, thanks for watching, and this website link in description. Click the link and come here, register yourself and watch my other videos, and please subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.